I'm an easygoing on person, but making friends as an adult is really challenging. But in today's video, I'll be talking about how to make friends, manage your friend, and maintain the friendship, and even make your circle smaller. Hi, if you're meeting me for the first time, I am Fefatako. So this is not the type of video I normally film or I will usually get to film with you guys. But a lot of things have been playing and I want to film this particular video with you people. If you want to make friends as an adult and it is really challenging for you to make friends, then definitely just stick around with me and let's keep on watching. Take your time in getting to know people. I mean, your co-worker, your neighbors, or people around. If you want to make friends, you have to get to know these particular people. But it all makes sense, and you have to use sense in this particular tip I'm telling you, I'm trying to share with you guys, because getting to know people, you have to set boundaries. Get to know your boundaries and get to know other people's boundaries. Once you get to know people, you get to know the boundaries. Talking about this tip right now, I am thinking of some friends and some things and some neighbors and some co-workers I am trying to create boundaries with. But it will help you if you guys get to know these people and set the boundaries for your own self. This will take me to the second tip, which is know in your head that every friends you are about to make, you like them, or that same person likes you too. Because when you like that person and you have in your head that that person likes you too, it can make you more confident and approachable with that particular friend you want to make. When we assume other people like us and it make us more approachable and confident. What I mean is that not everybody is going to like you. So when you know you like this person is not returning that favor to you, you have to cut them off and move on to the next person. But if you reciprocate the energy of liking that person likes you back, then that friendship can continue going. So knowing your head that everybody's not going to like you, same way you're putting into your head that if you want to make your friend, you like that friend in particular. Okay, share your thoughts and feel connected to people you want to talk to. This is the actual tip for me. I'm not just talking to you guys, I'm talking to myself in this particular one. If you have friend A, friend B, and friend C, not everything you're telling friend A, you're telling friend B, or you're telling friend C. If I'm telling friend A this particular stuff, I feel connected to tell that person that particular stuff I want to tell them, or share that information with that person. Even though I make sure I treat my friends equally, I love them equally, not everything I have to tell them, I need to tell them. So feel connected to the people you tell your stuff, so it will not come back and bite you in the ass. What I simply mean, if you guys understand, is that I have the gift of my friends can tell me something and I will not share that information with anybody. It's just a gift for my own self, because I don't have to share information. Even though the friend wants me to share the information to other people, I am not in the right to share the information, because I cannot go ahead and tell people about other people's story. But other people are not like you, so people you tell them this stuff, they are going to tell their other close friends and it's going to hurt you. So feel connected to people you are telling your stuff, and feel connected to people you want to share information with. Like some people are just coming to be your friend to see you finish. You guys, I am telling you the facts. Some people just want to know you, just to look for a way to insult you, or to look for a way to get to know what is happening in your life. So be careful who you are making friends out there, because I have a word. I think I was watching a very popular YouTuber video here, Dima, and they didn't elaborate on that particular topic they were talking about on our own YouTube channel, talking about workers that will come in just to see you finish. And it's a thing, you guys. I always have friends like that. They are not coming to your life to add to you, they are always coming to see what is the next move or what is your next plan to get rid of it. So be careful with every information you pass to every other person. And one thing I will tell you guys is that when I say feel connected, I mean it. Know the person you are going to tell your stuff, because you don't want to let people come back and bite what you said or your information with you again. So whoever you feel connected to, I'll keep on saying that. Create a life you enjoy. Be intentional in everything you do. And I'm talking about this point because I want you people, and I want to tell myself that I want to be intentional in creating the joy and the life I want. Because when you create joy in your life and you are happy, you feel connected to make sure you want to make friends with other people. At a point in my life, my mom will witness to this, because I was so angry, like with myself. I don't have happiness within me. So I stopped talking to people, not because people did something to me, just because within me I was not happy, I was not in the right position to talk to people. So it affects me in various ways. I lose a lot of work because I was not connected to other people because I don't have joy with myself. So when you create joy with yourself, it will make you get friends that are happy too. It will make you get friends that are around the circle that will show that particular love and joy within you. Because sometimes when you meet people out there and they don't have joy or they don't have that happiness within their self, you have that joy and happiness within yourself, you're just going to cover up their own evil spirits and be better with your own self. Just so you know, if you're the type that it's really hard for you to make friends, it takes time and effort for you to do that, but it's worth every try. Getting to know people, getting to connect with people, it will help you grow and benefit you socially and support you in every system. So it's going to help you grow. But if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit that ring bell button so you'll be notified every time I'm putting up a brand new video here with you guys. But if you want to see more of my work on all my social media platforms, you can check it out at Fefata.co. And if you want to text me your own video idea, you can text me at 090 34 15 42 32. I would love to see you all. I would love to see you all in my next video right here. Bye guys, peace out. Bye.